Hello everyone, today we are going to switch to Excel first time and make a little trick. I'm going to split text from one column to different one in two different methods. So let's start. I prepare already some data in the one column and I'm going to split everything into the different columns. So the first method is very simple, just mark all text, switch to data tab, then click text to column, choose the option delimited, click next. I need to just mark that delimiter is space, click next, and change the destination. I'm going to start from the B column and put everything starting from the B1. Okay, now click finish and it's done. Perfect. All text was split to different columns. Exactly what I would like to get. Okay, let's switch to the second method. Also very simple. Let's mark everything, switch to the data tab, then click the option from table range, click OK. The Power Query editor will open. Now we need to choose option split column by delimiter. From the list, we need to choose the space, then click OK. Okay, now it's done and we need to load this data inside our previous Excel. Okay, so now left upper option close and load to, and we need to switch to the option where do you want to put the data. Of course, no, for my scenario training purpose, I will do it in the existing worksheet starting from the B10. Yeah. Click OK. Voila! All data has been split to the different column. Exactly what I would like to get and exactly what I get from the comparing to the first option. Thank you for watching and see you in the next movie.